Boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm playing one of Melanie Martinez's new songs for the new album, and this one is called Garbage. Okay, so we're gonna go strung out here from this album and go into this one of the harder songs to perform. And the reason for that is the notes and the speed of them. Okay, so you have to gradually go and speed up there. You have to be comfortable at the lower tempo and then work your way up. Anyway, we'll come to that. First, let's look into the setup here. We have a capo on 6, and that's the absolute best snare from me and for everybody, I think. We have easiest chords possible, and the melodies will be as easy as you can go. So capo on 6, a good choice to go there. Now let's go into the chords, okay? This is actually based upon just finger picking patterns, but we're gonna combine that with some chords in the end to kind of perform it in an easier way if you wish. So let's learn the four chords needed. We're gonna start with A minor, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's A minor. Next is F, which is a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the first fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have D minor next, so that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. And then we have the C, and that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And the chord progression of the song is A minor, F, D minor, C, and finally A minor. So it both starts and ends on A minor. And that round goes in the same way through the entire song. Now, the focus here will be the melody. So let's start with this melody chord by chord, and A minor is first. So I'm going to give you the simple notes, and it goes like this for A minor. Okay, so you're going to play 2 times on the bass, which is the open A now. And then you have 2 times on the first fret B string. And then 2 times on the bass again, open A, and then the melody on the B string, first B, open B, first B, and third B. Okay, so you have the chords, and especially when I play A minor in this song, I pick strings not only from that melody note, the melody string, the B string. I use strings around, so basically the G string is what I think I'm playing here. So when it goes like this, you see I'm picking from this actual chord. So I hold the chord pretty much throughout the song, and therefore I have the support from the strings surrounding. But the notes I'm going to give you now are where the melody goes. Okay, that's the most important thing, to get these notes. Then you can have supported strings or notes around it. So a good idea here is to learn it slowly, just the melody, and then try to incorporate the chord and the strings around to get more kind of depth to the music. Okay, just some technical stuff there. So again, A minor, that's the first chord. Into the next, second one is the F. So I don't hold the full chord for the F actually. I just go with this bass, which is the first fret E string. So you're gonna play that together with the open high E. And then you're gonna play another bass note, which is the first fret E string in the bass. And then 2 times on the second fret G string. And 2 bass, first fret E string, and then 2 times again on this second fret G string. So far we learned A minor and F. So slowly, like this. Then comes the D minor, and you're gonna play 2 times on the bass, which is the open D string now, and then 2 times on the 2nd fret G string. And here you don't have that much room to incorporate other strings, but if you would be doing that, then I would hold the full chord and also support it with this B string, the 3rd fret B string from the actual chord. So, not in a dominant way that I just did. We don't want that, but just like in the background, and try to highlight the G string instead. Okay. And that's it for D minor. Then over to C. You can play this. So 2 times in the bass again. That is the 3rd fret A string. Then comes the melody, 2nd fret G. Then open B, 1st B, and 3rd B. That's C. And then the final chord is the A minor again. You're gonna play this. So you're gonna play the open A, the bass note, together with 1st B, and then another bass note, which is the open A, and then 2 times on the 2nd fret G string, then 2 times on the bass, and 2 times on the 2nd fret G string. That's it. Alright, so I'm going to take you through one round slowly and then try to speed up. This song is new for me as well, so I haven't gone that many minutes to practice this, but yeah, let's try first round slow and then standard tempo. Something like that. Alright, that's a melody and that goes from the beginning till the very end. Now, you can also play this with a simple strumming pattern. Now, of course, you need to hold the full chords as they are. And one string around will be like this. Okay, very logic. So 2 times on the bass string, total of 4 downs, but 2 on the bass. And then 2 downs on this higher strings. So that is one round, and a couple of rounds. Alright, now you're gonna play A minor 2 times, then F 2 times, then D minor 1 and C 1. And then A minor 2. And together that goes. Alright guys, so there you have it. Melanie Martinez, Garbage. I don't think so, but anyway, a cool song. So give it a shot. You can play this on guitar, not too hard actually, because you have to practice slowly. That's the whole key here. And then gradually you get comfortable and can speed up. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. And if you are a Melanie Martinez fan, then be back here because she released a couple tracks recently. We're gonna cover a couple of them. So yeah, hope to see you soon. Next time, play tuned.